This is the map here.
I don't know. What's the burn thing?
We all like burnt stuff.
Oh.
What's the corn maze? What's the corn maze?
It's a maze, but it's corn.
Something I don't think we're gonna do because we're.
Dang it.
Oh wait, we were gonna do the corn maze.
Yeah, come on.
I want to do the corn maze. I want to do the corn maze. Can we do the corn maze? How can we do that? I really want to. Can we do it? Sophie, stand by this witch pumpkin. Stand by the witch pumpkin, Sophie. And look like you're happy about it. Not really. Look like you're sad. No, like. There you go. Price is so good, you'll think we're out of our gourd. I don't see no corn maze, fellas.
Hey, how about you shut up and look straight?
I said baby, not Davy.
Oh.
Look, that couple walked in and never came.
Like so many of my favorite horror movies.
Right, I'm tired. We gotta make this shit.
You know what? I'm gonna take it slow. Look how slow I'm gonna walk.
No alcohol.
Soph.
I know. But I was gonna walk earlier with it.
What if a scarecrow gets us? So many horror movies, even the pilot episode of Sabrina the Teenage Witch. What?
From this point on, I might be cursed, but that's the price you have to pay.
Hey, wrong way.
Sophia!
Stay together, please.
I'm scared.
You guys want to get lost?
No, I do not. I want to stay together. No fair.
This is gonna be like when Kevin went in the hay maze. On The Office. She's not listening. What if a scarecrow jumps out at us?
Yeah, don't get lost. Don't get lost.
I'm kinda scared, guys. I am. So many horror movies have scarecrows and corn mazes. One night in October.
So, I'm not sure where Davy went. I'm just exploring. Like. Her!
Gotcha.
Follow me, I think I
I've
see
been
the
waiting
end.
all
Come on.
week for him to
Davy?
text me about Liam.
Come on.
Oh, I found
He doesn't even know.
No, he does.
What's that wrestling in the bushes?
What the? Okay.
Hello, everyone.
Nice. Real nice, Timothy.
That went on my.
Karma. I'm stuck. Okay, now I don't know where everyone went. Hello? Where the heck are you? I see you. Whoa. It all worked out.
This way, yeah?
Oh yeah, there's nothing but wilderness.
Bro, if I had to count how many times I got hit in the balls today,
What happened?
it'd probably be at least 3 times.
Oh. I'm gonna buy that barbecue sauce for sure. And then I don't know.
Do they have burgers at Chick-fil-A?
No. They don't have beef because it's against their religion.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so they're religious and they hate the gays.
Yeah, of course. Well, Pia, what are you doing? Oh, Pia.
Oh no.
So, some of them have, they give you a paper punch card.
Punch your card, once for the monster and once for the... Hiding places?
Those were those things me and Mom were looking at the beginning.
Oh. Stupid.
No.
Me?
Dumb even.
Who's got hand sanitizer?
Me.
My hands feel gross.
There's a piece of corn. Should I eat it? I'm scared.
He said he came home one Saturday. He said,
Was in your ear, in your ear, yeah. Zombie, 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 hey, hey. In your ear, in your ear, yeah. Zombie, 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 hey, hey.
Cranberries.
Was in your ear, in your ear, yeah. Zombie, zombie, hey, hey.
don't fall, please. All right, so now we're just to the gift shop.
Yes.
Halloween store?
After we go to the gift shop and they get Chick-fil-A.
Well, if we get Chick-fil-A first, you guys won't want to go.
Who says we won't want to go? We're hungry.
No, I'm saying if we get Chick-fil-A before the Halloween store, you'll be like, I'm too full, I'm too tired, I just want to go home.
Watch him do it. See it slowly.
See, look, those are all the things.
Oh. Watch, it's super slow the way they do it.
Hey, we went the wrong way.
Yes.
Should I go in this room?
No! Just get. Stop! Timmy!
You're gonna get us kicked out.
I want to know what's in there. Happy trails to you. Until we meet again. Y'all come back now. You hear? We're leaving. This is the gift shop.
I like mint chocolate.
Oh.
I think.
I love they only have one brick of normal chocolate left.
What do you
really
want?
want the
What the heck? How can they do that? Don't look at all the stuff behind you. Good thing you can't read, otherwise you'd probably be grounded. How could she? So we're in the driveway of the place still, but we're leaving. We're in the car. What you got there, Soph?
I got a donut. And some turkey.
Great combination.
I'm not eating them together. I'm eating
so
them
Look,
together.
my mom on her whip.
That has meme potential.
We are going to, it is called the Halloween store in Holland.
It's by the front porch. Okay, good.
Halloween
I
story.
hope the neighbors don't steal it. But
You know-
Halloween story.
Say, see you next year.
See you next year, Lewis Farms.
we know how fun it is.
See you next year!
See you next year, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Going places I've never been.
I can't
Welcome
wait to get
to
on the road again.
Here's an important question for everyone. Cool Ranch
Yeah,
or
we're not
nacho
far away.
cheese Doritos?
Nacho cheese.
Cool Ranch?
Cool Ranch. Definitely Cool Ranch.
Nacho cheese.
Cool Ranch or nacho cheese?
From the 1977.
Cool Ranch.
What the?
I mean, Cool Ranch or nacho cheese?
Nacho cheese.
See? You got me.
Well,
you got me.
there's 3 that said Cool Ranch, so.
Okay, I'm
we don't
always
have any of
underdog.
those, so.
Chick-fil-A. My first time ever going.
No Chick-fil-A sauce.
Lemonade, alright. Lemonade, alright. I would like a booth, please. I'll take a chair. The ladies can have the booth.
This was gonna be.
Yo, look at
One of
this
these are for
feast.
Matt and one of these are for you.
Bro, look at this feast. What do you get?
I got
Yeah.
chicken nugget and wham.
Ranch?
Wham. Oh, can I tell you something kind of cool?
Mmm.
Okay, we are gonna try the Chick-fil-A sauce.
For the first time.
I love it.
I've never had it. I don't know if I want to
Looks
try.
like honey mustard. Do you recommend trying a nugget or a fry?
I do both.
Nugget. Into the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Into the Chick-fil-A sauce, and then into your mouth. Let's see. Live reaction.
That's pretty good. It's like honey mustard mixed with
Barbecue, a little bit of barbecue.
sweet and sour.
What would you rate it out of 10?
I think I give it an 8.
No.
No, a 9.
And what is a base ranch for you on that scale?
3.
Fair.
Wait. Now I'm trying it with a fried waffle fry.
Waffle fry. Film me real quick. And no Chick-fil-A sauce.
Lemonade. All right.
Lemonade. Alright. No Chick-fil-A sauce.
No Chick-fil-A sauce.
All right.
No Chick-fil-A sauce.
I got it right here.
I think that's the best dang sauce I've ever had in my life.
It's really good.
So I'm actually
I
gonna
don't
change.
like honey mustard or sweet and sour,
I'm
so I'm
gonna
not
change
gonna
my
try it.
9 to a 10.
It was good. I love it. That's good. I got a bottle of it in my fridge.
Does Hazel eat it?
at the store, but we had never tried it.
Yeah.
I'm assuming you're not gonna use any ketchup then?
Driving at night.
Not bad. Hi.
We're almost home.
I have a book.
Guys, we're home now. We're super tired. Say
I'm
something.
exhausted.
So tired, but so fun. It was so fun.
Got so many crystals.
It was a great
Oh yeah,
day.
she had a big one.
Dang amethyst.
It was awesome.
All right, we're
Okay.
gonna go to bed now, probably.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.